In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install AnyDesk on your computer step by step so you can get remote access set up quickly and easily. If you've been looking for a simple way to download and install AnyDesk, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. We'll go to the official website, download the installer, run the setup, and complete the installation without any confusion. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and search for AnyDesk. When the results appear, look carefully for the official AnyDesk website. This is very important because you always want to download software from the official source to avoid fake or unsafe installers. Click the official AnyDesk website from the search results. After the website loads, you should see the download option right away. Click Download Now to begin downloading the installer. Your browser may ask you where to save the file, or it may automatically place it in your Downloads folder. Either way, wait for the installer file to finish downloading completely before moving to the next step. Once the download is done, open the downloaded AnyDesk installer. You can usually do this by clicking the file from your browser downloads list or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking the installer directly. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. After the installer opens, you'll see the AnyDesk setup window. At this point, click Install AnyDesk. This tells the installer that you want to proceed with the standard installation process on your computer. Next, when the prompt appears, click Accept and Install. This confirms the installation terms and allows the setup to continue. Now all you need to do is wait for the installation to complete. Depending on your computer speed and internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once it finishes, AnyDesk will be installed and ready to use. From there, you can open the app, start configuring your settings, and begin using it for remote access, support, or screen sharing. And that's it. You've successfully installed AnyDesk on your device. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.